Hey everybody, this is another one of the WRIGHT Industries pipe trailers. Up front, you've got the heavy-duty 2 5/16 coupling, both your safety chains with hooks. You do have the breakaway kit. I did pull the pin, and the brakes you can hear are dragging. You have your battery box here. Come back, you can see the tongue straight. This one also has the front mount toolbox, but in this one, you've got the stake pockets. There's 7 stake pockets, and all they do is drop in just like that, put a pin through the bottom so they can't rattle out going down. You've got several different spots. You can drop those stake pockets in along the way. As we come to the back, you got the heavy-duty steel fender, diamond plate. I'm gonna rate these tires again 50% all around, guys. The front axle tires are a little more worn. The rear's got quite a bit of tread left on them. They actually still have the nipples there. Come around the back. This one has the LED lights. You can see her working. I got the flashers on. The running lights are on as well. Like I said, framework is straight. There, that tire's a little more worn, but this one's really good. So like I said, we're just gonna go 50% all around. And again, a little over 8 foot wide, 30 foot from front of the deck to the back of the deck. And this one also has the front marker LEDs on the front corners. Really nice pipe trailer, guys. You can even convert these to just a regular flat deck if you want to put a bed on them. Heavy duty construction. Pretty sure they're 6,000 pound axles, guys. It says axle rating's 12,000, so there's 2 there. So I'm guessing they're 6,000 pound a piece axles. Just getting you a close-up look at those there. But nice trailer, guys.